In the quiet corners of the plant world, where sunlight filters softly through the leaves and the air is still and calm, the maidenhair fern, adiantum, stands out for its subtle elegance, a testament to nature's artistry. It's a plant that doesn't shout for attention but rather whispers with its delicate beauty. Its delicate, fan-shaped leaflets, each one a miniature masterpiece, float on wiry black stems, creating a striking contrast that highlights the vibrant green. These stems, thin yet strong, support the delicate foliage with grace, creating a luminous green mist suspended in air. It's an ethereal display, as if the fern is floating just above the earth. The fern's fronds tremble with the slightest breeze, a gentle dance performed in harmony with nature, giving it a sense of life and movement, a constant reminder that even in stillness, there is always change and growth. Unlike showy flowers with their bold colors and extravagant displays, it draws you in with quiet charm, an invitation to pause and appreciate the understated beauty that surrounds us, and layers of feathery foliage that soothe the soul. Each layer adds depth and texture, creating a calming visual experience. Its fragility is both a challenge and a gift, a reminder of the delicate balance of nature and the importance of gentle stewardship. The thin leaflets need attentive care, a consistent environment, and a watchful eye to thrive. Wilting or browning if neglected, a clear sign that its needs are not being met. It's a sensitive plant that requires a dedicated caretaker. This responsiveness forges a unique bond, a silent understanding between the plant and the person who tends to it. Between plant and keeper, a relationship built on mutual respect and a shared appreciation for the beauty of the natural world. Built on observation and gentle care, a mindful practice that enriches both the plant and the caretaker. The maidenhair fern is a living piece of art, a natural sculpture that brings beauty and tranquility to any space. A marvel of natural engineering, showcasing the intricate designs and complex systems that exist within the plant kingdom, and a daily reminder of the strength and gentleness, a lesson that can be applied to all aspects of life. To grow one is to slow down, to appreciate the present moment, and to find joy in the simple act of nurturing life. And reconnect with the rhythms of the natural world, a grounding experience that can bring peace and balance to our lives. In a fast-paced world where technology dominates and stress is ever present, it offers a tranquil green sanctuary, a refuge from the chaos, and a reminder of the simple beauty that surrounds us, if only we take the time to notice. To understand the maidenhair fern, imagine a shaded woodland glen where filtered sunlight dapples the cool, damp earth. Here, among mossy stones and fallen logs, the fern thrives in moist, sheltered environments. Some species cling to wet rock faces near waterfalls, their roots drawing moisture from stone, their fronds shimmering in the mist. The name adiantum means unwetted. Water beads and rolls off its leaves, leaving them dry. Found on every continent except Antarctica, maidenhair ferns are ancient survivors, perfectly adapted to their hidden humid habitats. Bringing one home is like inviting a piece of the ancient forest into your space. To care for it, recreate its world, cool, moist, and softly lit. What is it that truly sets the maidenhair fern apart from its botanical brethren? What makes it so captivating, so alluring to plant enthusiasts and casual observers alike? It's the captivating paradox it embodies, a dance between strength and delicacy, resilience and vulnerability. It's a testament to nature's ability to craft something both ethereal and enduring. Its paper-thin leaflets, seemingly weightless, float gracefully on slender, glossy black stems, each stem a testament to the plant's inner fortitude. These dark petioles provide a striking contrast to the vibrant green foliage. This arrangement creates a layered, almost architectural three-dimensional effect, inviting the eye to wander and explore the intricate details of its form. It's a living tapestry of textures and shapes. The contrast of the dark, polished stems and the pale, almost luminous green foliage is particularly striking, a visual symphony of light and color. It's a living sculpture, constantly shifting and changing with the light, a dance of light and shadow that brings the plant to life. The way the light filters through the delicate fronds creates an ever-changing display. Sensitive to even the slightest changes in its environment, the fern quickly signals its needs, often through subtle shifts in its appearance. It's a communicative plant, always letting you know how it feels. This responsiveness teaches us attentiveness and care, fostering a deeper connection with the natural world. It encourages us to be more observant, more present in the moment. New fronds unfurl slowly, gracefully, emerging as delicate fiddleheads, coiled tightly like miniature springs. It's a slow, mesmerizing process. a miniature ballet of growth and transformation that reveals the plant's inherent vitality and resilience. Each unfurling frond is a symbol of hope and renewal. This constant renewal connects us to the fundamental rhythms of growth and change, reminding us of the cyclical nature of life itself. It's a gentle reminder that even in stillness, there is always movement, always progress. The maidenhair's responsiveness transforms plant care from a chore into a nurturing relationship, a reciprocal exchange of energy and attention. It's about more than just watering and feeding. It's about understanding and responding to the plant's needs. Its beauty lies not only in its visual appeal, but also in its fragility, its resilience, and the quiet drama of its elegant form. It's a plant that demands attention, not through showiness, but through its subtle grace. To own one is to invite nature's artistry into your home, to witness its beauty up close, and to participate in the ongoing story of its life. It's a privilege to share space with such a delicate and captivating creature. The maidenhair fern is steeped in myth and symbolism. Greek legend links it to Venus, goddess of love, whose hair inspired the fern's delicate water-repellent fronds. In Victorian times, gifting a maidenhair fern symbolized secret affection and sincerity. Some cultures believed it protected homes from negative energy, thriving only in peaceful environments. Herbalists valued it as a gentle remedy for coughs and sore throats, grounding its ethereal beauty in daily life. The maidenhair fern's fronds carry stories of love, protection, and healing, far beyond their simple green appearance. Many venture into the verdant depths of the forest, their eyes scanning the undergrowth, searching for the elusive flower of the maidenhair fern. They seek the vibrant colors and delicate structures they associate with plant reproduction. But what they often don't realize is that this fern belongs to an ancient lineage, a group of plants that predates the evolution of blooms and the vibrant displays of flowering plants we see today. It's a relic from a time long before petals painted the landscape. Instead of flowers with their intricate arrangements and sweet fragrances designed to attract pollinators, it reproduces with spores, a far more ancient method of propagation. These spores are the fern's equivalent of seeds, but they are much smaller and simpler in structure. These spores are found in tiny clusters, on the underside of its delicate fronds, often mistaken for blemishes or imperfections. When conditions are just right, when the air is thick with humidity and the temperature is mild, these spores are released into the environment, ready to begin the next generation, carried by the wind to new, moist, shaded places where the conditions are perfect for germination. A spore grows into a tiny, heart-shaped prothallus, a structure so small it's easily overlooked. It's on this prothallus where the fern's hidden sexual reproduction occurs, a microscopic drama playing out on the forest floor. Only with water, with its life-giving properties, can fertilization happen, linking ferns forever to damp environments, to the edges of streams and the shadows of ancient trees. From this humble prothallus, this inconspicuous beginning, a new leafy fern emerges, unfurling its delicate fronds to reach for the filtered sunlight. And so, the cycle continues, repeating the ancient rhythm of life. The maidenhair's life is a secret dance of generations, a testament to the enduring power of ancient reproductive strategies, unfolding without a single petal, a silent symphony of spores and prothali. Its reproduction is a quiet marvel, a subtle process hidden from casual observation, a glimpse into the plant world's deep history, a reminder of the diverse and fascinating ways life finds a way. Bringing a maidenhair fern home means recreating its woodland origins. Place it in bright indirect light, never direct sun which scorches its delicate leaves. Keep the soil consistently moist, like a wrung-out sponge, but never soggy. Boost humidity with a pebble tray, daily misting, or by grouping with other plants. Use rainwater or filtered water to avoid chemical sensitivity. Don't worry if a frond browns, trim it away to encourage new growth. With patience and gentle care, the fern will reward you with lush, vibrant foliage. It's a living reminder of the beauty and tranquility of the forest floor. Living with a maidenhair fern deepens our appreciation for nature's quiet beauty. Its delicate fronds teach patience, observation, and the art of gentle nurturing. The daily ritual of care becomes a meditative practice, grounding us in the present. Each new fiddlehead is a slow, unfolding joy, a testament to life's resilience. The fern connects us to ancient forests and the enduring power of green, growing things. It asks for a little more but gives back peace, wonder, and a lasting connection to nature. With love and care, the maidenhair fern graces our homes with its ethereal beauty for years to come.